Hi, welcome guys to another episode of Extreme Salvage. On today's video we're gonna work up on the Hyundai Accent. So let's get to it. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I got everything teared down. So the frame looks okay, it's not damaged. The wheel well, it was just a little scuff right there. So you can see that. There you go. Everything looks good over here, nothing looks tweaked out of place. It looks like the damage was centralized into this part right here. This right here, you see how it's all bent? That's all bent. I need to replace the drive shaft. It's all messed up. It looks like it was damaged right here. You see that? All the damage on there. That looks fine for what I can see. Most of the damage was on this drive shaft, like I said. I gotta replace this right here. It's all out of whack. And then this part right here. And maybe, just maybe, the tie rod. I'm not sure about that yet, but this looks straight as you can see. So luckily it was just a little bit of damage. Not too bad, not too bad. We can fix this right here. We just gotta pull it out. As you can see that right there. There you go. The cord, this piece right here, it looks fine. Not damaged. Front bumper. Okay, so we took the bumper apart. This is what we're gonna be fixing. It's a small little crack. It's not too hard to fix. So you can see nothing else is wrong with it. We gotta get one of these little cover thingies. There's nothing much to repair, really. This looks like it's gonna be a really easy fix. So I'm glad. Okay. It will take me 4 minutes. I gotta mention, a little bit goes a long way. I bought 2 packs for this baby well, thinking that was gonna be a lot more. It looks like some nut. long way. Alright you guys, so there's nothing I can do right now. I gotta wait till the JB weld sets. So we just gotta wait. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. And here you go guys, this is what the almost finished product looks like. We got the bumper repair, we just need to add the bundle and primer, and waiting for the parts to come in.